Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. The grain markets finished mixed yesterday with corn and beans trading higher while wheat traded lower. Some harvest reports were coming in better than expected conditions and yield reports for harvest for wheat, so that is pressuring the wheat market. Old crop corn was higher while new crop corn was lower. The central U.S. has kind of had more of an improved weather outlook. There are some areas that are getting pounded with rain, but others that are having more ideal conditions. So that's weighing a little bit on the new crop market. Moving forward today, the market's probably going to try and do some things to realign itself ahead of this report. We could see some liquidation due to the fact that we do the Friday's report is a big report. It's June 1 stocks and planted acres report. Don't expect to see a whole lot of surprise on planted acres. If we do, that will affect new crop prices. So any surprise in planted acres affect new crop, and then the real surprise could come from the June 1 stocks. That can really have the ability to throw the market one way or the other, especially in the old crop. So remember, first notice day is Friday for July contracts. Limits are gone come Friday. So make sure you get out of those, as there's no limits, and Friday the market could really be thrown for a loop if either number throws us for a surprise. So we'll talk more about the specific estimates, tomorrow's morning video and Friday's morning video for what to expect come noon or 11 a.m. Central, noon Eastern for that report. But with that said, that's all we got today, and pray well.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.